And I just want to invite you to drop in to the beautiful vessel that is your body. Bringing all of you back, any part of your mind or your thoughts that are elsewhere, what you had to deal with, what's coming up, other people's drama, what's going on in the world. Just unplug from that for these few moments and just call your energy home. Return all the parts of you that have been hanging out elsewhere and with other people, just pull them back in. There we go. And just now invite yourself to ground even more deeply. You might notice just wiggle your toes, get your energy down into your feet. You can command your energy down through grounding cords going into the center of the earth. Just flow your energy down out of your head, through the body, down your legs, down into grounding cords, into the center of the earth. There we go. And notice what it feels like in this body to be more grounded, out of your head, out of your thoughts, and just grounded and connected to Mother Earth. What do you notice that's different? And now I'm inviting you to pull up some of that beautiful Mama Earth energy. So envisioning that from the grounding cords or from your feet, you can just pull up just the yummy, holding, mothering energy of our earth. Just allow yourself to be held. I consider this to be a very feminine energy. It's like Mama Gaia, Mother Earth. So envisioning being held by the Great Mother. And in this moment, it's asking to put some of that mothering energy into your heart. Allow it to flow into your heart. And notice any spaces in there that could use a little bit more love. See if there's any places of heaviness or sorrow. There's a lot right there. Yeah. And just allow yourself to be filled with love right here. And while we have the energy in your heart of the Mother Earth energy, I want to pull from above the divine, the light of God, source, creation, all there is. Just flow that down from the top of your head, down through your face and through your neck, and blow it right into your heart as well. And notice what happens. Notice what happens when you fill yourself with so much love, and now let it go from your heart, from the center of your chest, through all of you. Go up into your torso, your head and your neck, down through your arms. This feeling of deep, profound love. And then we're going to go down from your heart into your trunk, your legs, your hips, into your feet. So your whole body is just holding these higher frequencies of love. And the question that you get to sit in is, if this were with me all the time, this amount of love, what's possible? If I were more resourced, more filled with the fuel of love, how would I show up? And I want you in this moment to allow God, your higher self, whatever you envision that to be, to show you the version of you that with a little bit more love, more filled up, what your life is like. So take a moment and just allow that to emerge for yourself. And notice any mind chatter that's starting to tell you how scary that is or how much it would be a lot of work. You just go, shh. It's not time for any form, no structure, no goals, no planning. This is just catching the vision of the you that is filled with more love. The you that can resource and access more love from the heavens and the earth. Take another few minutes and just breathe that in. And the most important thing you can do in this moment is to say yes. I say yes to more love. I say yes to allow myself to be filled with all of this love. I say yes to allow this to be the fuel that sustains me and nourishes me. I make this level of being filled up my new set point. This is now my baseline. I commit to starting my day by filling myself up with the love of the divine and Mother Earth. I say yes. So taking a few moments and just feel what this is like. And I want you to start feeling your body now as we're going to come back. We've had a magnificent experience of this, and you can remember it at any time. And all you got to do is say yes. So take a moment. Take another deep breath and bring yourself back to this present moment. You can wiggle your head around and maybe open your eyes. Beautiful. Thank you for meditating with me.